sniper's right behind the tree! He's trying to steal your picnic basket! Food surprise birthday party's gonna be ruined! Dora!
You want some chocolate milk? Is this funny to shit in the fucking pool? It's closing in! Ah!
Good evening. I would like to begin by introducing myself. My name is Hydrogen, and I come from a low-income neighborhood where life is not very comfortable. I've stolen many things and been involved in many altercations, most of which have ended in gunfire. In addition to this, I've had sexual intercourse with a great number of the opposite sex. In contrast, and despite the lack of legitimate evidence, I believe you two have been involved in a fair amount of homosexual activities. Activities I and my companions look down upon. I am so much stronger than you, and my powers of rhetoric so much greater than yours, that you could employ an army of some sort to aid in your fight with me, but I, of course, would prevail, because I am stronger than you. I'm sure I needn't remind you of my place of birth, wherein, as I explained before, the living conditions are much worse than in your aforementioned city of residence. I would like to stop here for a moment and remind you that I am in fact orating with little or no prior preparation, an act commonly referred to as freestyling. Once again, and I think this bears repeating, I would like to restate my claim that I am in fact much stronger and have endured a larger number of hardships than you. Hardships which have left me with an aggressive behavior and an imposing demeanor which I believe frightens you.
I'll have a burger the size of my head, please. And then if you could just deep fry that.
Well, at least Oscars don't look like your man's best friend.
Pretty sexist.
No manners in every... Fuck it. You can't talk. And chocolate kills you.
Pussy not mine, this bitch for us. The gang is what I trust. Don't argue, we don't fuss. No talking, he get touched. I can't smoke my...
Wait in this motherfucker, what?
I wanna freak you as soon as I can be. I wanna know, you leaving with your friends after this, or you coming with me? Which one? You don't think I can keep up? Tell me, what does that mean? We could go fast or slow, either way. After this, put you wanna freak.
I put the new forges on the G. I trap until the bloody bottoms is underneath. Cause all my homies got it out the street. I keep 100 racks inside.
Sir, that'll be 11:23.
Showing them the flame of the ancients.
Sir, that's...
You got the music in you. Don't let go. You got the music in you. One dance left to swallow.
I began to pass out. Then my head hit the wall. Boom.
Oh my God!
Gerber Life is accepting applications for their affordable Grow Up Plan. The Grow Up Plan gives your child $10,000 in whole life insurance.
Wait! Fuck! Shit! It's 1 o'clock! I gotta go to bed! Bear back good night!
I need water. Help me. I need water. Help.
One more time.
This Saturn Edge is ruining my day.
Bro, who the fuck are you?
Armadillos keep digging little holes in my backyard, and every time I'm barefoot, it makes it really hard. When that sun goes down, they can all be found setting little traps back there.
Damn, bro, you got the whole squad laughing.
You see, I'm something of a magician, inventor, and chocolate maker. So quiet up and listen down. Nope, scratch that, reverse it.
Stop playing with him, Riot.
And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to back.
お前はこの20裏をクリアするのをザ・ハンドが決ここは敵地